Do you like strawberries? Do you like martinis? If the answer is yes, you're in the right place, my friend. Today we're making a strawberry martini. A cocktail that was invented in the late 1990s in London. Real easy to make, super simple, 4 ingredients only. And without further ado, let's crack straight into it. So to make a strawberry martini, we need fresh strawberries, some vodka, some simple syrup, rich 2-to-1, and just a little bit of black pepper. First, we're going to start by muddling our strawberries. Now, we're going to add vodka, 60 ml, or 2 ounces. Followed by rich simple syrup, 2-to-1, 15 ml, half an ounce. And last but not least, just a little bit of black pepper. That's about it. Now we need ice. And we're going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now we need a chilled glass. Discard the ice. And we're going to double strain our cocktail into our chilled glass. It's thick. And garnish with a strawberry. Here a little cut. Down the middle. That's it, ladies and gents. Strawberry martini. Cheers. Oh wow, amazing. I mean, all you can taste is strawberry, but it's delicious. Really nice, fruity, you can taste vodka, it's sweet, it's refreshing, perfect. That's it, ladies and gents, we made the strawberry martini, really easy to make. If you like strawberries, this is your go-to. Perfect cocktail for summer, for hot summer days, sweet, fruity, refreshing. What else can you wish for? And like always, try to make it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you like the video, please subscribe. It means a lot. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.